Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video session, we will see how to capture or how to record PC screen on Windows platform for free. Alright, let's get started. Let's flip to any of your favorite browsers and go for google.com. So once you are in Google search engine, let's look for Microsoft Expression Encoder, and let's go for the official site of Microsoft Expression Encoder. And once you're navigated to the official site, you'll get the download now option. So once you click on this button, you'll have the exe file downloaded on your machine. I'm not going to download because I have already downloaded on my machine. So once you download, let's install this exe on your machine. I'm not going to install also because I have already installed on my machine. So once you have downloaded and installed on your machine, let's look for Microsoft Expression Encoder on your machine. So you will get this one after installing it, Microsoft Expression Encoder for a screen capture. So let's click on this option. So after that you'll get this window. So this is the capture window. Here if you could see, this is the audio enablement, and this is the volume, how much you want you can configure it here. And here you have whether you want to enable or disable webcam for your capture, you can do that. And here you have the option to set screen, camera, audio, and shortcut keys for recording your video or pausing or stopping your videos. All this stuff here, you can set it. And here you have the option to see where your files have to save on your machine. So here I have I've selected the output videos on F drive to save all my files. So those options here you have. And this is the record button. So once you click the record button, you will get this area of capturing. So here you can configure it. Yeah, if you want to record till this, you can adjust. And on your left side or on your right side, if you want to move a bit, you can do this. After doing all this, you can start recording your session, and this is the information window. So let's click OK, and it would start recording your session. So whatever you do on your screen, everything will be recorded. So I'm just navigating it to some other places, downloads, output files, new tab, all this I'm doing it. So once you have done everything, you can stop your session. You can do that either by pressing Control Shift F12, or you can go here and stop uh, in this way. So once I click on stop button, my video would be recorded and it will be displayed over here. So by default, it would be in the expression encoder format, and we'll not be able to use this video session to our usable format like MP4 or stuff like that. So in order to use it, or in order to convert it to our executable or usable format, what we'll have to do is like we'll have to use this option, send to encoder. And before that, if you want to preview your video, you can do like this. So I'm going to send it to encoder in order to convert it to the usable format. So let's click on this button, send it to encoder. So it would open it in the expression encoder window. Here you can edit your videos. So if you want to cut, or if you want to join any clips, you can do all the stuff here. We have options for it. Once you are done, just click for encode, and that's it. Once that is done, your video will be ready, and it would be saved in the source folder what you have mentioned. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.